Breaking news from the United States. A tragic helicopter crash has shaken Missouri and the entire Mississippi River region. What caused a helicopter to slam into a barge? Were there any survivors? And what do we know so far about this shocking event? Stay with us as we break down everything you need to know. Fact-checked, straight to the point, and globally relevant. What happened? On Thursday, a helicopter crashed into a barge floating on the Mississippi River near East Alton, Illinois, close to the border of St. Charles County, Missouri. The impact was deadly. Both occupants of the helicopter were killed instantly, according to the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. How did it happen? Preliminary reports suggest that the helicopter struck power lines just before crashing onto the barge. The collision sparked a fire, triggering a full hazmat response from emergency services. Nearby roads, including the Clark Bridge, were immediately shut down as a safety measure. Was there an environmental threat? Despite fears of environmental damage, authorities confirmed there were no leaks from the barge. The barge stayed intact, and the wreckage remains on board as investigations continue. Who were the victims? As of now, the identities of the victims have not been officially released. The FAA and National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, are investigating the cause of the crash and working to notify the families involved. Public reaction and safety concerns. The tragedy has sparked public concern about low-flying aircraft, power line safety, and emergency response times. Local residents describe the sound of the crash as like an explosion in the sky. What happens next? The investigation is ongoing. The NTSB is expected to release a preliminary report in the coming days, which could shed more light on pilot error, mechanical failure, or other contributing factors. This tragic crash reminds us of the unpredictable risks of flight, even in civilian airspace. As the world watches, questions remain. Could this have been prevented? Were all safety protocols followed? We'll keep you updated. Subscribe for more global current affairs news. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest verified updates from around the world. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Because the world never sleeps, and neither do we.